Refer to section 11 of the construction guide. In this video we are going to install the mattress support panels onto the bed frame. Installing the mattress supports is very easy and straightforward. The purpose of the mattress supports is to provide a flat, even surface for your mattress. The mattress supports are highly recommended for long-term comfort and mattress life. You can use any lightweight, quarter-inch or similar paneling material for the mattress supports. We recommend you use quarter-inch plywood or similar. Note that if you are building a single or twin-size Murphy bed, there will only be one mattress support. Slide the mattress support panel onto the frame struts inside of the bed frame. It is recommended that you place pencil marks over the location of the frame struts, to make it easier when driving the screws to secure the mattress supports to the frame struts. This will avoid missing the frame struts when driving to screws. Use a drywall square or long ruler to help you finish off marking on the mattress supports. Now use 1 1/4 inch wood screws to secure the mattress supports to the bed frame struts and sides. It is not necessary to glue the mattress supports to the bed frame, and we don't recommend it, in case they need to be removed. Drive the screws approximately every 10 to 12 inches. Make sure the screws are flush with the top of the mattress supports. This will avoid possible damage to the mattress when you place the mattress onto the bed frame. The bed frame is now ready to install the adjustable nylon mattress strap.